Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Alt+H+O+H in Excel. In Excel, if you want to change the size of multiple rows, you have to do it one by one. Say, if you want to select the height of the rows like this, you will change it one by one. But there is a function which will help you greatly and will change the size of all the rows at a time. So for this, select all the rows which you want to change the size. After highlighting it, press Alt+H+O+H. So here you can see the window row height. You can change it and you can increase the height of the rows simultaneously. Say I am saying it 35 and click on OK, and you can see the height of all the rows have been changed. So this is how you can use Alt+H+H in Excel to increase the size of different and multiple rows. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.